Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I upload videos on cleaning, organization, and some lifestyle. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. And if you are new here, welcome. I am Deanna Marie, and today's video will be a deep clean of my main bathroom, which is the bathroom that my daughter also uses. So if you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, be sure to leave me a comment of any tips or advice or anything you would like to know down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Let's get right into the video. Right here, I'll just be wiping down all of her counter items with a Clorox wipe just to get them clean and nice and disinfected. So now I'm just going to be removing all the items off the counter and spraying it down with my plant-based all-purpose cleaner by the brand Real Simple in the scent Sweet Orange and Basil scent. I purchased this from my local Publix, and I am really loving the scent right now and how well it cleans. So I'm trying to use more natural or more plant-based cleaning products because my daughter's allergies have really been acting up lately. But I don't like scents that are floral or like long-lasting scents, but I like things that smell good. What cleaning products are you guys using possibly to help me out? Leave me a comment below on that.
You cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Listen, this Sprayway foam glass cleaner, y'all. Like, I'm never going back to regular Windex. Never. Let me know down below in the comments what kind of glass cleaner you like, foam or regular spray.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Set your sails on high, and you're stronger, much stronger Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to.
I got this idea from a post I seen on Facebook that says put fabric softener in the back of your toilet to make each flush smell amazing. It actually works. The smell dies down for a little bit, but what I noticed is that it helps tremendously with the hard water stain buildup that we get here.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night?
So now we're going to go ahead and spray down our tub and shower walls with this Scrub and Bubbles foam bleach bathroom cleaner. And then I'm going to use this Clorox towel and tub scrubber that I purchased from Target that I saw YouTuber Also Maya post on her Instagram channel. And thank you, girl. It was definitely a backsaver.
We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far.
The last clip of me mopping the floor went. I finished, guys. I really did. If you have made it this far to the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all of your support. If you like videos like this and would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, as well as the notification button so you get alerts each and every time I upload. Thanks. Bye.